Hello USKid teachers! Today we will walk you through the basic functions of the USKid Backsystem. The first thing you will do is enter your email address and password. Make sure your browser is not blocking your Flash plugin. You'll see 4 tabs near the top of the window: Training Center, Schedule, Classrooms, and Payroll. One of the key functions of the Backsystem is setting your teaching availability. To do so, go to the Schedule tab. Then use Previous Week, Current Week, and Next Week to set your time. To set your specific availability, click on the corresponding cell. A box will pop up, and you can choose multiple times at once. If you want to deselect a cell, click on it, then toggle the button to white and hit confirm. The cell will be half blue, half green as a default. The blue indicates availability for a one-on-one class, while the green indicates availability for a group class. If you have not been trained yet for group classes, you do not have to worry about this, since you will only be booked for one-on-one classes. Be careful though. The default display is always Beijing time. So here, 4:30 p.m. corresponds to 4:30 p.m. Beijing time. You will notice, however, when you hover your mouse over any cell, you'll see a small pop-up bubble, which displays the Beijing time and your set local time. Each selected cell has an additional little box. A tick box means this slot is available for a short notice booking, which means a booking with less than 24 hours notice. A time slot status, whether it is booked or open, is indicated in the relevant cells. You can enter the class by clicking on the booked cell, so long as the class is scheduled to start within 1 hour. Another way to check your schedule is to check the Classrooms tab. Here you can see all your classes listed in chronological order, as well as key information such as lesson name, student age, student gender, and the class time listed in Beijing time and your set local time. Canceled classes are also listed here. But I want to direct your attention to 3 important things: the classrooms, materials, and feedback buttons. Clicking Classrooms gives you access to the USKid online virtual classroom. But as mentioned before, you will only be able to click this button 1 hour before class. Next, let's check out the Materials button. Here you can preview the materials you need to teach ahead of time. It goes without saying that this is a must. If the materials are not showing up, you can go to the top right corner and click Load Unsafe Scripts. But don't worry, these scripts are safe. Be sure to familiarize yourself with the interactive functions on each courseware. Finally, you can see any feedback about a student left by a previous teacher by clicking the feedback button. If there is nothing listed, don't be alarmed. It just means no previous teacher has yet left feedback about this student. You can also access some of USKid's training and instructional documents. To access these, click the Training Center tab. Here, you'll find songs, documents, videos, all sorts of things. To view and edit your personal profile information, simply click the Personal Info button. Here you can see your profile information. You can also edit select information by clicking Edit. You can also change your password by clicking the Change Password button. By clicking the Payroll tab, you can see important payment information. Here, you'll see the base pay you've earned for every class. Below that, you'll see which bonuses you've earned, both the quantity and total amount.